Good morning, students. In today's class, we give some tips about how to calculate or determine the value of a numericals on the graph basis. So, one of the questions here we put, and there is a figure here. You see that it is speed time graph in which you see that there is a time and there is a speed. So, in that particular questions, we want to calculate three quantities: acceleration, retardation, and distance traveled from A to B. As from the graph basics, we know that in a graph, speed time graph, whenever acceleration is calculated, then what generally in a speed time graph, acceleration represented by a slope of line OA. That in a speed time graph, this slope is a acceleration, and we also know that OA slope is equal to AD by OD. AD by OD. So here is given, and when we take out data from that particular position of the graph, then we see that in a graph AD is equal to 6 meter per second velocity. AD and this is the parallel. So AD is equal to 6 meter per second, and OD is 4 seconds. So when we put the value of these two from the graph and then finally calculate or simplify it, then we got that 1.5 meter per second square, because we want to calculate acceleration. So the SI unit of the acceleration is meter per second square, and the data is given already in a graph. Second one, retardation, which is also known as negative acceleration. And like acceleration, retardation is also denoted by a slope of line BC here. Here is a BC. Here is a BC. So you see that, and likewise first one, here is also this BC represented by BE and EC. So it is represented by this BC line, slope of BC line is equal to BE by EC. And when you take out the data from the graph, then V is equal to 6. V is equal to 6 and EC is equal to what? EC is equal to total is 16. And from 16, this OE is subtracted. So from OE is subtracted, then we got the EC. So here you say 16. From 16 we subtract 10, and then we got the 6. And here is V is already 6. So 6 by 6. And when simplify it, we got the 1 meter square retardation. But that retardation means negative acceleration. And negative acceleration. So it is the value of the retardation. Now we come to the third part of the question, in which we want to calculate distance traveled from A to B. Distance traveled from A to B. A to B. We have already told in previous class, in a speed time graph, whenever we want to calculate distance, we generally explore the enclosed figure inside the data. So we see that this AB finally construct a closed figure that is like a rectangle ABED. ABED. You can say, yeah, you can say like that. ABED. This is the rectangle, and now we want to take out the we know that the area of the rectangle is what? L into B. L into B. You see the DA into DE. Here L into B. So here we see that there is a formula of the rectangle, and from that data what we want to calculate, take out the data. We want to take out the value of DA and D. From the figure you see that DA, it is 6 meter per second, it is 6 meter per second, and DE, here is 10, here is 4. So from the 10 we subtract 4, we got 6 second, and this is time. So when we multiply it, then we got 36 meter. So finally the distance is equal to the corresponding area of the value of the area of the closed figure. Here we see that. So when we want to calculate the distance, we want to calculate the area of that particular closed figure, and that is equal to the 36 meter per second square. So this is the solution of the question. So in that particular case, we calculate the acceleration, which is equal to 1.5 meter per second square, and second we calculate the retardation. So here is a retardation 1 meter per second square. Retardation is also a negative acceleration. And third, in the distance table, so distance table from A to B, here we calculate distance table is equal to 36 meter. So this is the solution of the graph based numerical. You go through the books in your book, inside books, and some of the work, some of the solved question, you try to solve it, and then you do the exercise, then it is beneficial for solving the questions. Thank you.